we're pausing Taylor Swift, and we're doing an apartment tour. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. I'm literally so excited. I haven't been on camera for what feels like forever, but this feels so natural. I put everything on hold and now I'm back, and I am back in my reputation era. And I realized I haven't done an apartment tour, and it's not done whatsoever, but I've been here since July. It's time to share where I've been living the last 2 months. I'm really excited just to get back to doing what I love the most, which is talking to you guys, my community, and girl bossing it up together. So let me show you my apartment. So here we have the pool area. It speaks for itself.
What made you move to California?
I have always wanted to live on the West Coast. I am from Chicago, so the Midwest has always been so cold, and if you know, the winters are brutal. I love the sunshine, but most importantly, I wanted to move here for my career. I've always known that I can do it, and content creation has brought me over here, so we hope to keep it moving. Moved here in July. It is now October, so it's been a minute. We are in Orange County, California, and so far, I love it. We got more seating and grills on this end. There's people over here, so we'll respect their privacy. We got
Got a little
hot tub, which is divine, if I do say so myself. So this rooftop is really huge. So we're just gonna speed through all the seating area, and then we're gonna take you guys to the gym, okay? One of the best things too is they got little fireplaces for at night. I don't know how to light it, but we'll figure it out one day. Now behind me is the gym and also the clubhouse area, which you're gonna see is so lit. You're gonna see the clubhouse has a pool table, a ping pong table. They have like a little area where you can like watch movies. They got a whole kitchen too. So it's cool because you can rent out the clubhouse and have gatherings if you want for like a fee, and they close it down. So I always get texts like, don't come to the clubhouse at this time, it's reserved. Throughout the building, you need to have this fob to go anywhere at all. Alright, now we're heading in to the fitness center. It feels very spooky, but I swear it's not scary at all. Usually, I will work out over here in my own little area and do shy girl workouts, exercises. Okay, I'm gonna give you a little secret. So, in February of this year, I was 150 pounds, and now I'm 114. That's to say, ladies, do your workouts, stay consistent, eat whatever the fuck you want. I have a whole Instagram highlight on my favorite workouts. That in combination with low impact exercises that I can do repeatedly for abs and arms. And now, just now, I am starting to do like weightlifting, weight training. So
big gains
we're
over
gonna
here.
be making those gains over here. Now we're gonna exit the clubhouse fitness area. We're gonna go down the elevator to the coffee shop. Yes, there's a coffee shop in my building. A dream. We're going to Huskins Coffee Company. Welcome to 1901. We're super lucky. Usually there are a lot of people here and we wouldn't be able to film like this, but this is the coffee shop. Behind Tyler is the Quick Eats Market. So I guess you have to have an app on your phone and then you scan in and then it charges it to your phone. I really love the decor here. It's really influencing me and my apartment decor. The black and the gold and the wood, I really like it. I wish my favorite baristas were here because they would tell you that they know my order because I'm here so often. I get the local honey latte with oat milk and cinnamon on top. Amazing. That's the majority of the building. And so now we're going to flip and transition to a different day where you're gonna see my actual apartment. So, bye. Welcome to my California home. I just moved here from Chicago in July. So this is not the finished apartment, but I thought you guys should see where I've been living for 2 months and what I've done to the place so far. So let's start with the kitchen. Over here, we have my little coffee station that I love. Ooh. We have a dual sink. You know, my favorite thing about this kitchen is how much cabinet space I have. These cabinets are very wide and I mean, I can't even reach up there, but I can put something up there if I ever needed to. Here, we just have this little cute teapot from TJ Maxx that I got recently. Cooking stuff. And this cute little Coke container. I want to put like cute little coffee straws in here and make it part of the coffee station. I just got this package from ITK. And I wanted to show you guys. Look at the thought here put into this package. There is a lock combination. So at first I didn't know how to open this, but now you just whoop, and we open it to reveal a beautiful PR package, might I add. It's Bridgerton inspired. But look at this. I can't get over it. This little pen. I am now going to use this pen to write down anything and everything, just because I can. Then we have this little teacup with crystals in it. You need to zoom in on the crystals, because if you guys know me, I love anything to do with candles and crystals. Then the stars of the show are these skincare. And then lastly, a blanket. So this is gonna be my new picnic box. And what the frick? This is so cool, I just wanted to share. So let's turn around though. And this is where I spend the majority of my time. So this is my little desk. I really, really love how it's coming out. I wanna add shelves and just go crazy with the decor. This closet is the closet where things go to die. So no one's allowed to open this closet. Let's go into the living room though. Over here, we have a cute little entryway table, dresser. So here is the living space. We love this view. This couch I got from Ashley's Furniture Home Store. Like I said, not even finished, but my idea for this space is it to be very light and airy, but also kind of like luxurious coastal vibes. So not much to see, we need a lot of work, but here is my favorite part of my apartment. It's my balcony. I love this. Other than it being by the freeway, it's perfect. That's a wrap on the apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys a little sneak peek of where I'm living. And like I said, I want to use this space and show you guys more over on TikTok, over on Instagram. So if you haven't checked up on me on those socials, check up, because a girl's gonna be showing up on your For You page, on your feed. So best to be there early, because in this community, the comment section is everything. And if you're early, usually I do like Starbucks for whoever can either be there early, like the first one, or if you're the 1,000th like on my posts, I almost always give you coffee, because I'm just like, you're a real one. So thank you guys. I love you. I will see you in the next video, and I can't wait to see how this space is going to transform and evolve, and see you later. I mean, how can you not love life when you're out here in the sun? Just with the fresh air, you know? Cut?
Try my best here.
I have an empty photo in here. Let me know what I should put in this photo. I don't know. I'm thinking
Yourself.
I'm thinking a picture of just me. So then
Or
when
your
I
brother.
wake up, or my brother. Very true. We know a bad bitch lives here, right? So
The baddest.
the baddest.
Go stupid.
Go crazy, go stupid. You're so silent. We hit a dead end over here. This is an exit. We're gonna go this way.
Can't go that way.
Here, it's okay. We're gonna direct the course. This way over here. Let's go, come on.
If you say coffee, I'm there.
Hurry, Tyler needs to go to work, so we're gonna try to hurry. Wait, do you have my wallet? Tyler, is it lit?
It's always lit.
It's so lit. Let's go. Come on. We cannot. Access denied.
Access denied.
It's okay. Catch up. Come on, you're gonna miss the gym. What you doing? And on the right, you'll see some wild cactus.
Some cacti.
Cacti. Thank you for the corrections. There's people here, so we're not gonna be annoying. But I just think it looks so cool there. I'm a big fan of Coke. Hashtag ad, just kidding.